Hello, everyone. It's Russ Parsons here again with the Southeast Kansas Weather Facebook page. Start out by showing you a picture here I took clear back in September of 2005. This picture here was taken just to the north and east of Girard, Kansas, in central Crawford County in southeast Kansas. What we're looking at is a wall cloud. Most people think that a wall cloud is a big solid line of clouds coming at you. Well, you couldn't be any more wrong. A wall cloud actually is circulating. You can actually watch it circulate. If this was actually a video and in motion, it would be circulating in this direction. And this is what a tornado usually comes out of. I thought I'd start you off by just a picture of some of the severe weather I've seen here in southeast Kansas. What we're going to take a look at today is the forecast. Start with the Parsons, Kansas forecast since it's kind of in the middle of southeast Kansas. Kind of go out from there. Today it shows that we've got a 20% chance of mainly rain showers after 4 o'clock this afternoon. Those chances go on into tonight and probably up until midnight again tonight. So between about 4 o'clock this afternoon and midnight tonight, we've got about a 20% chance of showers. Nothing big. Supposed to be cloudy most of the day, and we do have one more sunny day coming up tomorrow, Saturday, with a high of about 65 degrees, it looks like. Saturday night supposed to be partly cloudy, low of about 40. Well, the big story is the chances of rain starting about 7 o'clock on Sunday. 7 a.m. Sunday to about 1 p.m. we've got about a 20% chance of rain. And then we go into about a 50% chance of rain between 1 and 4. Those chances of rain, believe it or not, will hang with us. We'll scroll down here. Chances of rain hang with us pretty much from Sunday morning at 7 a.m. all the way at least to about 7 o'clock on Thursday night. So it is going to be a wet, soggy week coming up. That's why I wanted to bring this video to you today to kind of give you a heads up on what's coming up. And that it's going to be a wet, very soggy week coming up. Since we're really deficient on the amount of rain we've had, we're probably not going to look at any flash flooding yet, but the rain coming up will be a pretty good dose of rain towards our drought that we're having right now. We're going to kind of zoom in to the probability of precipitation, or rain chances in southeast Kansas. What you're looking here is the southeast corner of Kansas. We got Montgomery, Wilson, and Woodson counties here. This map is showing that there's about a 20% chance of rain starting about 7 o'clock this evening. Got a little front coming through this evening on Friday evening. No big deal. Like I said, it's supposed to be cloudy all day today, and really 20% chance isn't a big deal. If you've got any plans out there, just kind of hit and miss showers more than nothing this evening. We'll move on. Still got those kind of hanging around in the southeastern part of the southeastern Kansas counties. Those chances, about 20% chance. That's 7 o'clock tomorrow. And after that, those chances kind of dwindled down to, down to about a 2% chance on Saturday evening, which is pretty much nothing. Where our bigger chances start coming in will be at about 7 o'clock Sunday evening. Our chances jump up to about a 50% chance over the whole area of southeast Kansas here. Coffeyville's got a 50% chance, 49% chance Chanute. So rain chances will start ramping up starting Sunday night. 7 a.m. when you wake up to go to work Monday, chances go up even more. Looks like most of southeast Kansas will be at least a 65-70% chance, with it kind of going down in chances. 55% chance here in Coffeyville in this section here of southeast Kansas. Go down to about a 35-45% chance of rain over the most area of southeast Kansas on Monday evening. This is Monday evening at 7 o'clock. Looks like the biggest chances will be the 3 counties bordering Missouri here. 60 to 70% chance of rain. Still hanging in there with a pretty good chance of rain on your Tuesday morning. This is Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. About a 60 to a 70% chance over most of southeast Kansas. So pretty good chance that it'll be raining when you wake up Tuesday morning. Those chances jump back up to about an 80 to an 85% chance of rain Tuesday evening. So it looks like it's going to continue being soggy through Tuesday evening. And it looks like that will start letting up by about 7 a.m. Wednesday, with a little break in the rain here. And you wake up to go to work Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. About a 25 to a 30% chance over most of southeast Kansas of rain. And those chances go down even more 7 p.m. Wednesday evening. The chances of rain are still there. That's why I say once this rain sets in starting Sunday evening, those chances, we've got pretty decent chances all the way through at least Thursday night. This map here is valid. It's a surface map showing the fronts, and it's valid from about 7 a.m. Sunday morning to 7 a.m. Monday morning. Kind of give you an idea of what's going to be causing the rain throughout the rest of next week. Is this warm front here. This is the location of the warm front, probably starting about 7 a.m. Sunday. Well, this warm front is going to be pushing north. And as it pushes north, that's what will start giving us our rain throughout the week. It is expected to kind of stay in our general area here in southern and eastern Kansas and give us our chances of rain and thunderstorms throughout the remainder of the week next week. Well, the next question you may ask is, how much rain are we expecting? Well, this map here kind of gives you an idea. I know it looks pretty busy, but I'll try to explain it to you as best as I can. This is a forecast map, one of the weather models that they put out, GFS weather model, and it is predicting between about Sunday morning and Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. that we are expecting anywhere between half an inch It looks like about a half an inch in Crawford County, Kansas, half an inch in Cherokee County, and then going up to about 3/4 of an inch to an inch in Labette and Montgomery counties. So the southern tier counties looks like they're expecting more. I mean, these amounts here are not set in stone by any means, and they will likely change either up or down through that period. But this just kind of gives you an indication on what their weather models are expecting. So anywhere from about 3/10 of an inch all the way up to an inch of rain in that area. Well, on top of all this rain and showers and thunderstorms and everything coming up, are we expecting any severe weather with that? Couple of opportunities for severe weather will mainly be Sunday night, overnight. That warm front will be in this general area here, and as that warm front moves north Sunday night over the top of us, we're possibility of seeing some large hail. Mainly, that's going to be the only threat. Just in the light green area here is just general thunderstorms. Then they've got a marginal risk of severe storms down here in Texas and southern Oklahoma. So really not much in the way of severe weather Sunday night. Let's move over to Monday, and pretty much the same thing Monday. The biggest threat of severe storms is in the yellow box here. That will kind of go on up into Kansas if we can get the storms to pop up Monday afternoon, Monday evening along the dry line that will be in eastern Kansas. So there is still a possibility that we will have severe weather. I'll know more about that coming up in the next couple of days, and I will have another update for that. So kind of recapping, looks like starting from Sunday morning all the way through next Thursday evening, looks to be a really, really soggy evening or soggy time period for southeast Kansas. So anywhere from 3/10 of an inch up to 1.5 inches total during that time period, I'm going to say. Those totals will likely change over the next few days, and I'll keep an eye on that, see if we're going to get any more than that or anything. But that's it for the update for today. I'll likely put another one out tomorrow if the chances of severe weather looks like we're going to have any bigger chances of severe weather or anything in the next day or two. I will definitely keep you updated. Thank you.